fam, it's Davi here and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own pair of bandana patchwork pants, and it's very simple. You're literally only going to be using 9 bandanas, standard hair bandanas from your local craft store, beauty supply, or Walmart. But the cheapest place I've seen them so far are your local beauty supply shops, $1 each. And for most sizes, you will need only 9 bandanas to make these pants. So let's get started. Alright guys, somewhere along your screen, you should now see versions of my patchworks pants, skirts, all different things that I was able to create with just bandanas. Alright guys, so I have my bandanas and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is decide on, if you're not doing one solid color, is decide color placement here. So you're just going to see me working out different options for placement. And yes, I have a bandana So the reason you see me laying out 4 squares is because we are going to cut out a pants pattern, and for each front, left, front, right, back, left, and back, right, it's going to require 2 bandanas stacked together, front, left, and right, and then we're going to repeat the same thing for the back, left, and right, and you'll see what I mean. So once you have all of your bandanas kind of eyeballed what you like, what you're going to do is take 2 at a time to your sewing machine. I'm going to take them right sides facing together, meaning the faded part will be on the outside. So I'm taking them and I'm going to go to the sewing machine and sew across here. Alright guys, so I've gone to the sewing machine and did 1 straight stitch across, only where the 2 ends are joined together, on one side only. You want to go ahead and do that for the other 3 pieces of scar sets as well, and then we'll come back to show you how we're going to cut the pattern. Now at this point, all of these are sewn together once across. Front, left, front, right, back, left, back, right. They're in this order. So with your first 2 right here, you're going to face them together. By flipping one over, so right sides are together, faded side on the outside. And you want to get it lined up as good as you can on one edge. Now move down to here and do the same. Sandwich them together. And get it lined up on the edge. Okay, once it's lined up, you're going to move it over to the first set and sit it on top. So now you should have 4 sets of 2s lined up together. To be able to make the pants pattern, take a pair of joggers, sweats, something that's oversized. Take those pants and flip them inside out. We flip them inside out so we can see the seam and see how this garment is really made. Once you have it flipped inside out, you're going to want to line everything up perfectly with the seams, and you'll notice that there's one part of the pant that's pretty much a straight edge, and then the crotch area, butt area is a curved piece. You want the straight edge lined up with the edge of the bandanas that you made sure were straight, and then you want this folded with the excess of fabric. Okay. Now you need some scissors. And I'm going to very loosely, not overthinking, cut this with seam allowance. Seam allowance meaning at least an inch extra to be able to sew. When it gets to the waist part here, I don't cut close. I actually cut the curved part and then I go straight up from there, just because I don't want it to be fitted on my waist. I want it really baggy because I'm going to put an elastic there. So for here, we're going to cut the curved part, but once we get past that, I shoot straight up. So there's going to be a lot of additional inch added compared to just my 1 inch seam allowance. Alright guys, so next you are going to sew the curved part of the pants with 2 pieces, a set of 2 facing each other. So you're going to sew the curved part, then once you do, you can open it up and you'll see the front side of some pants. And you're going to do that for both pieces. See, now we have a front and a back. So now you want to take the front and the back and have the correct size facing each other. And you're going to sew down the sides and line up the center and sew the inseam of the pants as well. Alright, so for the casing that goes around the ankle that gives the pants a more fitted look, you're going to need to cut out 2 3 by 13 inch long pieces, because you're going to use this to fold and pleat the pants around, so you won't need elastic.
So I didn't capture the process, but I basically pleated the pants around this casing at the bottom.
Now, this right here is still very important for your garment, because now you need a waistband. Go ahead and take 1 set only. So there's 2. Make sure it's lined up. And you need a waistband that at least 3 inches wide for casing. I'm gonna cut all the way across. Now take the other set of 4 that you had, line the edge up, and now you're going to be cutting the drawstring. Sometimes I actually make functional drawstrings, but here I'm just going to show you how we're making them for style. They're not going to be functional because we're going to have elastic in these pants instead. So here I only want it to be, I'm only cutting about 2 inches. Now we're going to take those long 2-inch strips that we cut out from earlier, and we're going to make the drawstrings. I'm just going to simply fold mine right side out and run it through my serger here, because it'll finish the edge for me. But if you don't have a serger, you'll just go ahead and flip right sides in and stitch all the way down. And once you have it done, you'll flip it inside out to break the casing.
Alright, voiceover time because my family going crazy. Now we're going to take the 2 longer 3-inch wide strips and sew them together with right sides facing each other, so we can begin the waistband process. Also, if you notice, I am wearing the pants so far without the waistband. Here I've gone ahead and folded that casing in half and pinned it around the top of my band. But make sure that you leave an opening in the back so you can slide your elastic through. Fed your elastic through, you're going to go ahead and sew the closing shut in the back. Take those two long casings that you made and sew them together to make one long strap. You're then going to find the center front waistband, and then you're going to place the center of the strap that you just sewn together and stitch it down in the center as well. This drawstring isn't functional, it's just there for style. There you have it.
Alright, so if you would like to connect with me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me at greenwear_designs. Again, it's at greenwear_designs. I would love for you to follow me and I'll follow back, and we can connect there as well. Again, thank you for watching, and bye.